In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom browser favicon in Squarespace 7.1. A favicon is that small icon you see next to your website's name in a browser tab. Adding one is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your brand's recognition and give your site a professional touch. So let's dive in and get started. First, you need to log into your Squarespace account. Simply head over to the login page. If you're like most people and prefer the slightly quicker route, you can click on Continue with Google to seamlessly sign in using your Google account information. This will quickly take you to your main dashboard where all your website projects are listed. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate and click on the website for which you want to add the favicon. This will take you to the settings and configurations page for that specific website, setting the stage for the next steps in the process. Now, let's navigate to the settings. In the main menu, you'll find a range of options. Here you'll want to focus on the Settings tab. Clicking on it will open a variety of customization options for your site, and your task is to find the Website section. The Website section is where all the significant customization settings are housed, so it's always a great spot to explore more if you're interested in further tailoring your website's appearance and functionality. After clicking into the Website section, look for the option labelled Favicon. Let's pause here for a moment to understand the significance of this step. The favicon is a crucial component. It's a branding element that can make your website immediately recognizable in a sea of open tabs. It's small but mighty, adding another layer of professionalism to your site. Once you've clicked favicon, you'll be presented with an option to add a favicon from your computer or the library. Here you have a couple of choices. If you already have a custom favicon designed, click on Upload from Computer and select the file. Do ensure your favicon is square, and it should ideally be 512 by 512 pixels to keep it responsive and sharp across all browsers. Alternatively, if you haven't designed one yet, you might find a suitable option within the Squarespace library, or you can use free online tools to create one. After you've uploaded your favicon, be sure to save your changes. This last step ensures that your new favicon is live and visible to everyone who visits your website. Open a new browser tab to check and admire how your site looks with its brand new icon. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to adding a custom browser favicon in Squarespace 7.1. Feel free to revisit any of these steps as needed, and don't forget to explore other settings to further enhance your website's functionality and aesthetic. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.